Hey everyone, this is Phil, and I'm very excited because I just got a delivery. So we're gonna open this up and I'll show you what I got. So this is the box, nice Japan Post package, and the reason I'm opening this up now is because it's raining outside, so this is actually quite drenched on the top, so I want to get it out there as soon as possible. Every time I see someone unboxing stuff on YouTube, they're all going at it with these huge knives, so I'm always intimidated by that. I'm just using a box cutter with the blade out, just like a ½ centimeter. That's all you need. Alright, there we go. Why is my Instamic about to shut down? Why would you do that? Alright, so let's angle the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. This is what we've got here. So if you can tell what it is right by this, then you are good. Here it is. So as you can see, this is a Fuji GS645. This is a camera that I've been meaning to check out for a long time. I was holding off for several reasons. One is the price. It's going for about 400 bucks right now. So I've been kind of holding off. Two, the design is really kind of peculiar. I would say it's a very product of its time kind of thing. It's a lot of plastic with a really like odd shape, but it is very cool because it has a bellows folder design, which is something you might have noticed I'm very partial to. But also it's a 645 camera that folds down, so it's very compact when folded down, and is supposed to have a very good lens, very nice mechanics in there. And the last thing that I was holding off on this for is perhaps the most important reason, is that these are supposed to be very fragile, especially the bellows. But handling this, it actually feels a lot more solid than I'd expected, which is great. It looks to be in okay condition, so I can see the gaskets. The light proofing needs a little work, I think. All the foam has pretty much disintegrated. So I'm going to have to replace that, and I could see from the listing that the bellows has a few holes, so I'm definitely going to see if I can replace that as well. But apart from that, it looks to be in really good condition, so I'm kind of happy to see that. The latching mechanism is exactly the same as it was on the GW690, so that's good. And I think I'm just gonna try and tape off the obvious holes in the bellows and see if it works before I get a replacement bellows. This is nice. This is actually much nicer than I expected. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled. I'm probably gonna do like a photo walk with this guy, and yeah, it's much more solid than I expected, so that's a really good thing. And I'm excited to take this out once it's not pouring like this anymore, because today the weather is abysmal. Alright, yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'm really excited about this camera, so look forward to some content with this very soon. Alright, see ya.